This can cure your kidneys, pancreas and liver in a single blow, and in addition, there is no medicine that compares with this. Yes, you got that right, this super healthy spice can cure your pancreas, kidneys, and liver. This spice is the main ingredient in many stews and seasonings of different foods. Ladies and gentlemen, we are talking about the super healthy cilantro. According to the experts, cilantro is probably one of the most effective and gentle detoxifiers of heavy metals and other toxic elements in our body. It's the perfect medicine for extracting mercury out of your organs. A lot of toxic chemicals, including heavy metals, have been linked to serious health problems such as cancer, emotional problems, kidney problems, lung disease, brain deterioration, and weak bones. Cilantro is an herb with wide, delicate lacy green leaves and a pungent flavor. Its seeds are known as coriander. Although cilantro and coriander come from the same plant, their flavors are very different and cannot be substituted for each other. Cilantro is full of minerals, such as potassium, calcium, manganese, iron, and magnesium. It also contains a high amount of vitamins A and K. Cilantro is also proven to be very antiseptic, antifungal, and anti-inflammatory. It will help you reduce the infection and the inflammation, as it works to clear your system. The best way to incorporate cilantro into your healthy diet is to add a handful of fresh, organic cilantro into your daily smoothie. Or, you can try this alternative instead, just add chopped cilantro to your salads and meals. Thank you for your time and don't forget to share.